right, so now we are inside of my townhome, and this is the entryway. So they have a glazed panel, so you get some privacy. And then this is my little home sign, our keys, and our shoe storage. And then it leads directly into the kitchen. And then in this door we have storage, so it goes underneath the stairs, so it's plenty of storage. That box there is actually a hidden kitty litter box. And that closet is more storage. In the kitchen, like, there's plenty of room in here. You can actually put a 2-seater table in here, but I decided to just do a buffet and make a custom shelf above. And there's my cat. Just to give you a closer look. So they gave us a new fridge and a new stove, and the dishwasher is old. Sadly, it was dirty when I got here, so I had to clean it. But other than that, the kitchen is fine. My only problem is the cabinets. Their shelves are not adjustable, which means that they don't move, so you can't really fit a lot in there if it's too tall. Like, say for instance, I tried to put this inside of the cabinet. I couldn't because it's way too tall. But just to give you a reference, I've got some tea cans in there, some apple cider vinegar. A bag of sugar should fit. But I mostly use them for cups and plates. You have an area for your microwave. We don't have a microwave. We don't really use microwaves, so we just have a toaster oven there. And there's my kitten. I put the trash here out of the way. And in here you have the laundry. I'm gonna back up so you can see more. So you have to purchase your own washer and dryer and have that hooked up and everything. It is not gas, it's electric, just for reference. Oh, and when you move in, you get this little, I guess like a gift box filled with goodies, and then you also get a move-in package. This is like a calendar for the month. I'm sure they don't have much going on because of COVID, but there it is. They gave us soap powder, or was it fabric softener? You have some soap, I don't even know what these are, sponges. And then you have soap, and then the dishwasher pods, dryer sheets, and then they gave you a cute little candle. And then directly in front of the laundry room is a half bath. So I'll show you what that looks like. The exhaust fan is loud, so just warning you. Here's our living room. We ended up getting a new coffee table because our old coffee table was way too big for the space. This is how it's set up for now. If you have a love seat and a sofa, this is probably the best layout that you can have because it's way too tight in here. So this layout works best. And then behind the sofa, I have an entryway table that I'm using as a sofa table for extra storage. Like, you see the little teddy bear down there, and some dog treats and cat treats. Here is a nice little area with my favorite fig tree. And then you see the dining room. And that is the outside space. All right, we can go outside so you can see what that looks like. And I'll show you the storage shed as well. And take Zoe out. You ready to go outside, Zoe? Come on, let's go. Go. All right, so there is the air conditioning unit, a little plant stand, a sofa, and the grass. I just cut it last weekend and it already grew back. I wouldn't really consider it grass, it's more weeds than anything. Here's our little seating area, my barking baby, and then you get a spigot for water. No, Zoe, come back. Come on. Come on. All right, and now we're gonna go inside of the storage shed. All right. So we've got an old doggy swimming pool that she does not use, but this is the storage. It's pretty big, spacious. Oh, let me go catch my dog. Zoe. Zoe. Hey. Come on. Back inside, because I don't trust you. Come on. We are back inside, and this is just another view of the living space. Now we're gonna go upstairs. So the upstairs level has hardwood flooring and the floorboards do creak, so you'll hear a lot of that. But this is the area. And you'll see tons of cat toys and dog toys all over the place. So the first room is my office space. It's a little extra, but I love it. It's peaceful and relaxing. It's a great spot for reading or just relaxing after work. Not completely set up, but it's almost done. And I use this closet for my clothing. So it's pretty big. All right, and now we're going to the guest bathroom. Just so you see everything. Got the office, guest bathroom, and the guest room. Here is the guest bath. We get a medicine cabinet here. Move that out the way. And plenty of storage below. Oh, and then over here, so you see the toilet. The tub is pretty deep. All right, to the guest room. So this is the guest room. The bed is a full-size bed, and it has enough room in here. Like, you have enough wiggle room. So you can fit a queen in here. The only issue is a dresser. You probably would not be able to fit a dresser in here unless you were okay with not using the air conditioning, because the vents for air conditioning are right below the windows upstairs. And there's a linen closet, and now we're going to go into my master bedroom. So like the other rooms, the rooms are pretty awkward, so there's not plenty of space for dressers. So one of our dressers is in the closet and the other is in the bathroom. So right there you see a hamper and a TV. The TV will be mounted on the wall and the hamper will probably stay there. I'm not sure yet. I might move it because it's a little awkward in that area for walking. So this is our room. We just got this bed. Just for reference, it is a king size, so they do fit in the rooms. It's a little tight, but there's plenty of walking room, so it works. So in the closet, you see the dresser, left it wide open. So there's plenty of storage. So So in our room, I let Paul have this closet because I'm a sweetheart. You see the oscillating fan because it gets really hot upstairs because heat rises, and even though we have the air conditionings on the floorboards, they do not really circulate well. So this is the layout of the room. And another thing, each room has a ceiling fan, so that is handy. And a light bulb is missing because I want to replace those with brighter lights. And I need to take the light bulb with me to Home Depot. So here is our master bathroom. So the sink is outside of the toilet room. And then we have extra storage over here. It's sturdy enough to be a bench. And then here is another medicine cabinet. And here is the other dresser that I was telling you about. It fits in here perfectly. So it works. And that is the shower. So that's everything. All right, that is everything. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to see any more spaces in our home, please message me below or DM me through my Instagram at thiswisewife. Thanks, so bye.